Guys, it's Mother's Day in the Philippines right now. It's the second Sunday of May. But the Mother's Day here in France is on the third Sunday. We're going to Mama, and the very good son right here is bringing her a baguette.
Bringing her baguette.
Flowers, bitaw, oh. How do you say beautiful? Sibel.
No.
Saman.
Cebu.
Cebu. Ibel is for people.
No, if you say se, it has to be masculine.
Cebu. Cebu, Philippines. It's beautiful. Cebu. Bo? Bo. Bo. Sige, let's go to Mama.
Bonjour. Bienvenue en France.
Get up tayong French.
That's not how you carry a cat.
Wow. How do I carry a cat then?
Here, I'll show you.
Don't carry me. I'm so heavy.
Cat.
So loving it.
Wait there, see?
So loving it. So loving it. Guys, Mamo is making an apple pie and she's asking me what kind of apple pie I want.
Yeah.
These are flowers. It's Mother's Day.
Yeah, it's Mother's Day. So a French apple pie is to have the fruits on the above. But a tarte tatin, the fruits are inside.
Me, I want to ask them something.
Oh.
Comment below if you know the difference between a normal apple pie and an apple pie and an apple pie tarte tatin. If you know what it is, you comment below. Tatin or normal apple pie. What is the difference?
So the other one, guys, is normal apple pie and the other one is abnormal apple pie.
We're going to do, maybe we're going to do tatin. No?
Yeah, me it's tatin. Yeah, for sure.
Sunod-sunod ako. Tata. What's the spelling of tata? T-A-R.
No. Tatin.
Tata. Ta. T-A-N.
No.
Sige, what's the spelling?
Tatin.
T-A-T-I-N.
Tatin.
See? Sige, guys. Spelling nga daw na. T-A-T-I-N. Diba? Tatin.
This is why we can make a lot of pies and cakes and all this, because usually you need a temperature in room temperature, very cold, to make a paste, a dough. But in France, you don't even have to worry about that, because you can just buy it like this.
We have like that in the Philippines. Just lumpia.
You have?
Just lumpia wrapper.
Alright. This is butter paste. Butter dough. Okay? There.
The apples are done. Next, we put butter.
Many butter. Butter.
Butter overload. Not margarine, guys, ah. Not margarine.
Not margarine.
Butter.
Butter. Salt. Butter with salt.
Salted butter.
Jam.
Jam. What's that, no?
Jam
Kind of
fig.
Fig. Fig jam.
And now you put the apple like that.
The magic paste.
Magic paste.
There. So we'll bake it for how many minutes?
30 minutes.
30 minutes. It's so hot. Fresh from the oven, look.
Three.
Oh!
Okay. Brown sugar. It's better.
To put it back. Good. Hold claw. I love you. I love you. Hold hands. Hold hands. Yes. Of course, it's your mother who cooks it. That jackfruit lagi, babe. Why?
I had a towel a few seconds ago.